Are you ready for the biggest update in AI video generation history? Because Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro are now live, and this time, it's unlimited. That's right. Higgsfield just made the world's most wanted model, Sora 2, available to everyone, unrestricted, unlimited, and worldwide. Imagine creating cinematic videos with audio synchronization, 108p crystal clarity, and multi-scene reasoning, all powered by the next evolution of AI video technology. Just take a look.
Moments ago, Sora 2.0
En Higgsfield salió Sora 2.
It is really unrestricted.
Beautiful takeoff. Wait, she's still going.
Sora 2 Pro. Now, on Higgsfield.
The craziest part is that this is so easy to create. Just follow the link in this video to Higgsfield's website. Sign up with your email and start bringing your ideas to life with just prompts. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or digital storyteller, Higgsfield's integration of Sora 2 means you can now produce next-level visual content with realistic motion, seamless transitions, and unmatched scene understanding. The best part is you can access it now, from anywhere in the world. Here is Interdimensional Cable, Episode 4, a series of film trailers and outrageous news reports inspired by real-life events created by one creator using Higgsfield and Sora, a 108p video with no watermark.
How bad is bad?
The reactor is on fire.
Fires I can handle. Tell me there's good news.
You're still employed, for now.
This spring,
We're not evacuating. We're just, strongly encouraging people to be elsewhere.
That's not a plan, that's a wish.
Got a better idea?
meltdown.
Here in downtown Portland, weekend one of what's being called the Portland Purge is underway. The stated mission is to, quote, protect democracy. The apparent tactic? Smother it in tear gas and barbecue sauce. Behind me, the National Freedom Brigade is settling in for what...
I came here to disappear. Maybe drink myself quiet.
That worked out for you?
Until I met her. My family's protective.
What do you do for a living, son?
Freelance accounting?
He means debt.
We can always use a numbers man.
Around a crane hook tonight is what's left of the Titan tin can, the billionaire-built sub that promised champagne selfies at the Titanic and delivered instead a titanium confetti shower.
They called me in at 2 a.m. They said the market had a fever.
We're not fixing it. We're triaging the corpse.
Every solution has an acronym. Every lie needs a press pass. Stress tested again. Louder this time. And while we chant and shuffle the numbers, the Cowboys bet against the rescue.
That's still a thing. We're live outside the Capitol where the so-called Clown Fest has devolved into what officials are delicately calling a dumpster fire in face paint.
One ship, wrong angle. The world stops.
I get it loose, markets breathe. I don't. We all hyperventilate. Give me a team and a runway.
From director Jane Alvarez.
This is nuts, Mark. You can't tow the world's cargo with yachts!
Watch me.
Tonight behind me is what's left of Flight 737 Mayhem, a plane that thought it had an autopilot but really had a bored executioner. Investigators say the system forced the nose down 3 times.
Somewhere in the mountains, the men who detonated the world economy are being forced to fix it.
Maybe we just
Print double money? Like buy one, get one?
Instead, they meditate, bicker, and workshop ideas that could curdle dairy.
I thought Mars would smell more heroic. That's the air scrubber dying again.
Don't worry, team. You're making history.
History smells like algae pudding and panic.
Guys, look. That's not Mars. That's New Mexico.
Jamil, Eleanor, you need to see this. Is Honest Dave selling chips again, or did we just catch another Russian intern? Look at the frame tearing here. Same artifact that showed up in the Pope on a scooter clip and the Queen's dog funeral. Different sources, same signature. So? This is gonna be the party of the century.
If we build it.
You sold paradise with a slideshow and a smile. And now we're making it real.
We have no tents, half power, and the headliner thinks the island has room service.
I'll fix it. You're not fixing, you're improvising louder.
Drop!
You fell out of the sky. That makes you special and me rich.
I require medical shelter.
Nah, you require paperwork. Welcome to Earth.
Next!
How long must we wait?
Long enough for me to pay off my creditors.
Re-entry, a borderline friendship.
I can't breathe half the time. My chest locks up like a frozen server.
That's what panic feels like. You came here to debug it.
Everyone thinks disruption is cool until it's their life getting disrupted.
The investors want blood, the engineers want raises, and legal says we can't bury another debt.
Is this supposed to be gluten-free? I can feel the gluten.
Carla, the planet's literally on fire and you're still doing bread discourse.
Guests, please remain seated. External temperature.
61 degrees Celsius.
Atmospheric particulate.
Lethal.
Hard to believe we're really here.
To Mars, to the future.
Team, remember, every system is fragile. Every choice matters. Let's breathe responsibly out there.
Did he just tell us to stop breathing?
You double parked in front of my building again, and I'm done being polite.
Kid, it's the Bronx. If you're polite, you get stuck.
I want him harassed, not whatever this is.
Working on a synergy plan.
A what?
This is your moment to level up your creativity. Don't just watch as AI changes the future. Create it. Follow the link in the description of this video and head over to Higgsfield AI. Experience unlimited Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro in action. Because the future of video creation just went unlimited. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to Ray Creators Lab. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification for more content. Thank you for your time.